Hello friends, now I took here one problem, x cube minus 4x minus 9. This is the algebraic equation, and this algebraic equation will solve by using regular falsi method, RF method, or method of false position. Now initially I written here that formula of regular falsi method, and in the table format we will understood what this method is. So the method by using the table we can easily understood what the process is going on. Initially we require the interval where our root lies. So for this, start with the first value 0, substitute in this. First value it gives minus 9. Substitute next number 1 minus 4 minus 9, output it is minus of 12. 2 if we are substituting, it gives minus 9. 3 if we are substituting, that gives us plus 6. Now we not go ahead, minus, 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 now it become plus. When it changes its sign, we conclude here root lies between 2, 3. So mention here in the table 2, 3. These two values we required for the first approximation. We are considering x2, this is a notation, and the calculation is for first approximation. So x0 upon, we have all these values. Previously we calculated f of 3 value 6 minus f of 2 value minus of 9, same this 6 value minus bracket value, actually put here bracket also, calculated value for first approximation it is 2.6000. Now we require the next interval. In the next interval x0, x1. So for that we are using the technique. For f of 2, symbol is minus. So 2 minus symbol, 3 plus symbol. For this we have to find out the symbol. The procedure is substitute this in the polynomial cube minus of 9. So this calculation we have minus of. This minus sign we'll use as a symbol for this 2.6. Now our interval become for two opposite symbols, minus and plus, 2.63 plus. So this is our next interval. This is a conclusion how to find out the interval. Now formula will keep as it is, only will make changes in the values x0, x1. Second approximation value x0, x1 upon f of 3 minus f of 2.6. Put here values 2.6, f of 3 value plus 6 minus 3 into f of 2.6, last value in the table which we have calculated, upon bracket values in the denominator which is equals to. This gives us 2.6933. This is our second approximation. Now to discuss third approximation, we required here interval. So to find out interval, first symbol. For that Put this value in the polynomial. Cube minus of 9, and the output of this expression 0.2364 with minus sign, and that minus we'll use for this 2.69 as the symbol. Now next interval become minus and plus 2.6933 3 plus. This technique actually we are using for two methods, RF, regular falsi, and bisection method. So second approximation we completed. Third approximation, x0 2.6933, x1 value 3. So by table easily we are writing these values, what is x0 and x1. We are not confusing with these values. Once you will understood the method, then easily we can proceed that calculation part. F of 3 value 6 minus 3 into f of 2 point. So we have at this position upon these two brackets, same as it is, we'll take in the denominator, and the calculation of this third approximate value 2.7049. 2.7049. Next, f of xi we have to find out. So in this in this polynomial, suppose if we substituted, and the calculation for this minus of 0.0292. Now that minus will put here as a symbol. Next interval it become 2.70493 plus. So this we completed fourth approximation. These are our new x0, x1. Formula we kept as it is, no change in the formula. F of 3 upon f of 3 only we have substituted x0, x1 from this table. Easily we know these values. We substituted f of 3 6 minus 3 into this value, previous value in the table we calculated. This is the calculation, this is the output of these expressions, which is equals to fourth approximation 2.7063. Now we conclude here fourth approximate value. Now see comparison 0.70, 0.70 up to 2 decimal places. These two values are correct. Hence, root is the last approximate value we'll mention here, and we'll say that this is the root of given polynomial by using the regular falsi method. So this concludes RF method. Thank you.